How can you video record books while reading on your iPhone? Let me show you how it works or what options you have available. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So let's say you are an author, right? Or you wrote something yourself or whatever, right? And you want to just capture that while you are reading it, right? So what you're going to do, if you want to save just the audio file, go to the voice memos, start the audio recording, and you can leave the app and go to another place and just read from the screen, and the audio recording will be going on as you are like that. It's happening in the background and you are looking at some different text. That's one way of doing that. However, if you want to capture the video, like the text on the screen, just go to the control center and try to find the screen recording. If you don't have it, tap the plus button, add a control, and bring it from the toggles which are available. But the important part is that before you click the screen recording, you hold down on the toggle right there and enable the microphone access. So you don't want to just capture the thing going on the screen, but also your voice. And then you can go to your notes or pages or anywhere you have your text written, and you'll be able to read it and just capture it as a video on your screen. Then once you're done, click the stop button and it will be saved in your gallery containing the audio and video as well. So that is something that you might be interested in. I believe that a lot of people are out there which want to do just that exactly. So let me know if I helped you out. For more things which I perhaps did not cover in this video, let me know about it below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorials and videos like this one.